Hey guys, today the t13 came. This is going to be an unboxing video. Let's get into it. It came. So let me get this open. Okay. How do you get this? Wait, hold on. Oh shoot. My phone. Okay. Okay, his arm got off. Wait. Here he is. These are the most posable figures. And I love this thing. Let me get him his hands on. Here's all the hands it has. And the weapons. The t13 on here is so good looking. Okay, let me get his hands on. Here he is. The wings won't get put on, but yeah. He has posability. He is super cool though. This is my first t13. So, yeah. Hope you liked the video and like and subscribe. Bye.